Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys technophone setting. Friends, in this video friends I will show you guys how can you forget guys your Wi-Fi network in your technophone. Friends, you want to forget your Wi-Fi network in your technophone, so friends you can forget it. And guys, now let's see how to forget Wi-Fi network in our technophone. So then first of all guys we will on our phone setting to guys forget our Wi-Fi network friends. So friends, you can see this type of setting in your Technophone. So friends, click on Wi-Fi setting friends. And guys, you can see guys, we have connected this Mukesh Wi-Fi. And guys, we want to forget. And guys, you want to share this network. So you can share from here guys. You can see scan QR code to connect to Mukesh. And guys, you want to forget. So we press on Wi-Fi network. And guys, you can see forget option and tap here to forget it. But this Wi-Fi will forget. And guys, you cannot use guys. If you use, so you will have to enter password again. Then guys, you can use this Wi-Fi network. So are your friends who have understood how to forget Wi-Fi network in Technophone? So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Guys, now we will meet on next video. Bye friends. Thanks for watching the video guys.